Hello all, welcome to Kiran Academy. This is Atul. In previous session, we talked about how to use inbuilt function from Python. In today's session, we'll be talking about what is identifier. So let's begin. The question is, what is identifier? Basically, identifier is the name which is used for identification purpose. That name is by default considered as a identifier. Let me tell you guys, the name that is given to us, that is used for identification purpose. So our name is also called identifier. So let's begin with the identifier. What kind of name, where we can use that name? So guys, for example, if I create a variable a and if I give some value to that a, so this variable name is called identifier. Again, if I create one more variable price which is equal to 105.7, so this variable name is called identifier. So where we need identifier? To define variable, yes. To define function, yes. To define class name, yes. To define method name, yes. So we need this identifier to define these names of the Python things. Now guys, there are certain rules to define its name. Same rules are applicable for our name also. For example, if boy is there, then what kind of name that we give to that boy? If girl is there, so what different names we use for the girl naming purpose? So our parents also define such a rules to give name to us. Similarly, as a developer, we have to take care of certain rules to define variable names or function names. So what are those rules? The first rule is the name of identifier contains alphanumeric character. So what does it mean by alphanumeric? Alpha means alphabets. So we have A to Z, capital A to Z alphabets. We have small a to Z alphabet. So we can use all the alphabets to define identifiers, as well as we can use numbers also. From 0 to 9, any number we can use for identification. What is next rule? Next rule is, guys, it should not start with the digit. So I can define a variable a is equal to some value, but I cannot define a variable name with 1a is equal to some value. No, it is not allowed. Are you getting it or not? So it should not start with the digit. That is our first rule. Next rule is underscore is the only special symbol used in identifiers. So if I define a variable a underscore b is equal to some value like 30, it is allowed. If I use underscore a b is equal to some value, that is also allowed. So underscore is the only special symbol used for identifier. Python identifiers are case sensitive. What does it mean? So if I write a is equal to 10 and if I write capital A is equal to the Kiran Academy, so this small a and capital A treated differently. So identifier are case sensitive. Keywords cannot be identifiers. So what are the keywords? So our next topic is keyword. Don't worry about that. And the last rule is there is no length limit to define identifier. It can be any length we can give to define the identifier. But personally speaking, this is not good idea. Your identifier name must be short, unique, and it must be a good as per your project. So these are the rules to define identifier. This is for the day, guys. In next session, we'll be talking about what are the different keywords available in Python, and as a fresher, how to print those keywords by using VS Code. Thank you. Bye bye.